Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Suburban Sill. So today I'm bringing you another plant unboxing. This time I ordered from Leaf and Clay. You might remember a couple years ago I did a cactus unboxing from them, and the reason why I decided to order succulents from them this time instead of going to the store is that they do have a cool variety that you can't really find everywhere, and I'm still trying not to go shopping as much because we're in a pandemic and all that, even though I think things are starting to look up. But I also want to say Leaf and Clay is not a sponsor of this video. I ordered these on my own, but I'm really excited to see what they sent me. I did the 4-inch 6-pack mystery box. So I'm excited to see what was sent. I did also throw in a couple of my favorites that I wanted to have, because my plan is, after the unboxing, is to do a cool arrangement that's going to be outside on my patio table. So let us see what they sent. Ooh, I think this is the Lola. Now I picked this one for myself because Lola is one of my favorite Echeverias, and so I'm very excited. This is beautiful. Look at how big and gorgeous that succulent is. Next. All right, another gorgeous. If I had to guess, I would say this looks, kind of like a Perle on Nurnberg, kind of, but I'm not 100% sure, but it's still gorgeous. Look at how big it is. I just love that. I'll have to do an image search so that I can find the proper names. Ooh, what is this? Once again, I don't know the exact name of this one. But look at that, it's got a little flower. It's lovely, it's gonna look beautiful in my bowl. I will have to find out what the name of that one is. I think identifying Echeverias is so hard because it could be like the slightest difference. Like some of them look so similar. It's hard to tell. And off the top of my head, I can only really name a few that I can identify. So, these are different. They look similar. Leaf shape, gosh, I don't know. I think once, I don't know. Comment below if you know. I don't know. Are these similar? Yes. These look like the same ones to me, don't they? To you? Now this one's a little different. Oh boy, I forget what this one's called. It's got the ruffled leaves. That's fun, super pretty. Okay. You know, when they get stressed, they kind of close up. This one, look at that. That's super cool and compact. I'm sure it'll open up the minute I get it planted, but for now, I'll have to do an image search on that one too, because I don't know what it's called. That's the problem when you do a mystery box. You get all these great things and you're not quite sure what they're called. Now this should be my other one that I picked for myself. Oh no, it feels really light. What is in here? Oh, this is my ruby slippers. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. So this will get really lovely red margins when put outside, which is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it in my arrangement. This might be like kind of like the centerpiece. I think it kind of grows up tall. So there is my surprise unboxing. I've got some lovely specimen to plant with. Now let's make just a fun, simple Echeveria succulent bowl. All right, now I'm back. I went out and I got my supplies for my arrangement. I'm gonna start with this big bowl that I had in my garage that I've been saving just for this purpose. I like to use a little bit of burlap to keep things from flowing out of my bowl. I'm gonna use this cactus mix to keep it really good and free-flowing. And I have this like gravel in the garage that I haven't been using, so I'm gonna put that in here too. The biggest problem with succulents is overwatering. And since this is gonna sit outside, I mean, I'm gonna keep my eye on it, but I don't want it getting extra wet, or, you know, if it gets rained on, that's a problem. I got my Fertilome succulent mix ready to use. So we're just gonna dump that in. Okay, so I may have gone a little overboard. Maybe went a little overboard. Kind of mix that up a bit. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's dusty. Oh. So I always use succulent mix, and I never really have any problems. I've had succulents for years that sit in a good draining succulent mix. Okay, now for the fun stuff, the arrangement. So I like to put a big old rock in the center, or kind of off center maybe, because it's good for watering. You can use this as like a watering rock, pour your water on it so it like runs off, and then you won't have to worry about your succulents getting too wet, since a lot of succulents don't appreciate water in their leaves. So I'm just gonna kind of lay out. I already said I want my ruby slippers maybe to be kind of a taller piece because they stand up tall, or it's gonna stand up tall. So maybe I'll kind of stick this in here, and it can maybe kind of lean up against this rock a little bit. I'm gonna leave some room because I plan on doing like a top dressing sort of that I have. So we'll see how that goes. It's not going well. All right, there we go. And I'm just gonna kind of do like a fun, tight cluster. I'm gonna give some room for them to spread out a little bit, because as they grow, oh, I love this Lola. Lola, for the record, is my favorite succulent. See, you don't have to put them real far. You can just kind of set them in there. You know what? I'm having second thoughts about the top dressing. Honestly, because sometimes top dressing can stay wet and then it will cause rot. I don't know. Let me think on it. I really hope there's enough room in here for all these. Let's see. Another thing I like to do with succulent arrangements is that throughout summer, I'll probably get more succulents, or like leaves will break off, and then I'll just kind of throw them in. And it's kind of fun to watch it fill up. I have one more, and I need to find room for it. I would imagine this one will kind of open up once it gets water in it. And I kind of want to put you over here. Okay. So far, I am loving this. Love, love, love it. And as it fills in, it's going to be even more pretty and full, and some of them might come up. So I don't think I'm going to do the top dressing, because I worry with this many succulents in here, having the top dressing might cause water to sit around the base of some of the, let's put this little baby facing out, around the base of some of the succulents. But what I can do is I have some cool rocks to put in some of the blank spaces. That kind of adds a little bit of something to it. I don't hate that. This one can serve as a leaning pal for this ruby slippers here until it gets settled. Okay, there's my arrangement. I'm going to give this a really good drink of water just around the edges. I don't want to get water in the leaves or have anything sitting in the leaves of my succulents. And it's going to head outside. Maybe once the winds stop howling at 25 miles an hour, then it will go outside. So thank you for watching this video, this fun succulent unboxing from Leaf and Clay. I do enjoy their website. They're not a sponsor of this video, but if you like succulents, it's a cool place to shop online. And they come beautiful, as you can see. So thanks for checking out this video. You can follow me on Instagram at suburbansil. And you can check out my website, suburbansil.com, where I post other videos and fun things like that. And soon to come, I'm hoping to have some fun home goods and some planty things to share with all of my friends. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.